So we sent the Furid Minimalist Slim Wallet for Men. This is in the carbon fiber style. It's a wallet for front pocket, credit card holder with a cash strap. The style is minimalist. It has RFID blocking capability, offers you full protection from unauthorized scans from your credit cards. So this is lightweight and a pretty cool design. Simple is better in my view. So it's designed to be slim, making it easy to carry in your pocket or bag. Made from high quality carbon fiber material, which is known for its durability and resistance to wear and tear. This ensures that your wallet, a card holder, will last for years. So the cash strap allows for easy access to your bills, making it simple and convenient to pay for things on the go. It can hold easily 15 cards, which is quite a lot in my book. Each card slot designed for easy access. This means you can quickly and easily find the card you need without having to dig through a bunch of compartments in your wallet. The carbon fiber keeps it lightweight and very strong. It won't bulk up your pockets like other wallets. So this is a great gift idea. It's great for a minimalist approach to carrying your gear. Gives nice function and it's kind of stylish. So credit cards, money, business cards, they all fit perfectly. And that is the Furid Minimalist Slim Wallet for men or women.